Hi, I'm Ben from Suitest. In this video, I'm going to explain to you our pricing model and how you can choose the right plan for you. Suitest is a software as a service company with a monthly subscription model. We have a number of subscription tiers available, ranging from a free plan up to a custom plan on the enterprise level. You can subscribe to a selected pricing plan with a credit card and select automatic monthly payments or choose to pay for a whole year in advance. Let's have a look at the pricing table available on our website. Our pricing tiers differ in several ways. Team size specifies the number of user accounts you can have in your organization. Concurrent executions defines the number of parallel tests that can be run at any single moment in time. If you schedule more tests at once, the excess runs will be added to a queue and executed only after some of the previously launched runs are finished. Testing minutes is arguably the most important asset to consider in your subscription. Testing minutes are consumed every time you execute a test or while you are connected to a Suitest public lab device. Testing minutes are renewed monthly. Screenshot storage size is the amount of storage you have for the screenshots that are taken during a test execution. By default, Suitest will stop taking new screenshots once the limit is reached, but it can also be configured to rotate your screenshots out and remove older ones in case the storage is exceeded. Own Apps specifies how many Suitest apps you can create within your organization. You can think of apps as projects that include tests, elements, configurations, and so on. For example, if I want to test YouTube and Netflix on my TV, I would create 2 apps in Suitest. But if I need to test YouTube on, let's say, LG WebOS and Apple TV, I would use a single app for both platforms. Versions per app defines the number of app versions that you can create inside of every app. You can think of app versions as a snapshot of your test suite. You might want to create one in case you need to share some subset of your test suite with a third-party vendor, or if you want to freeze a production version of your test suite while your QA team is working on the next release's test coverage. Share versions specifies if you can share an application version with other organizations within Suitest. Receive shared versions specifies whether you can receive an app version shared from another organization. Number of devices is the maximum number of your own devices that you can have added to your Suitest organization. This number does not account for public lab devices or devices that are shared with you directly by other organizations. Results stored defines the period of time when Suitest is guaranteed to store your test results. Now let's have a look at the tiers available. The free plan is, well, free, and it works great for when you are just starting with Suitest and you need to figure out if it's the right tool for you. The device management plan is a good option if you are not planning to do test automation, but you need a way to access your devices remotely for some live testing. The next 3 plans are well suited for small to medium QA teams. You would typically select the right plan for you based on the amount of testing minutes that you need monthly and the size of your team. The enterprise option is the most flexible one. Contact our sales team and we can build a special plan just for you. For an overview of our prices, make sure to check out our pricing page for the latest info or contact our sales team at sales@Suitest. You can specify the billing information for your organization on the billing page under the Preferences menu. You need admin user permission in order to access the information. On the Subscription tab, you can see details of your current subscription plan. On the Billing Information tab, you can set your billing address, contact info, VAT number if you are located in the European Union, and so on. Suitest will automatically generate an invoice for each payment, and you can find those on the Payment History tab. Thank you for your interest in Suitest. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our sales team.